like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
Hello everyone. This time, Higgsfield is getting ready to drop Seedance 2, and it's coming with a huge upgrade. This update is expected to bring powerful new features that can seriously change the way we create AI videos. Take a look at this video. First, we create the full storyline using Nano Banana. After that, we upload it into Seedance 2, and this is the final result. On the Higgsfield website, there's already a notice saying Seedance 2.0 is on the way. That's a strong signal that a major update is coming, and based on what we've seen so far, this one could be big. Now let's take a look at the major updates coming with Seedance 2.0. These are the key features and improvements that could change the way we create AI video content.
With one-click video recreation, you can turn a single sentence into a full, high-quality video. Whether you want to recreate a trending clip or reimagine an iconic scene, the AI understands the original style, structure, pacing, and creative intent. This means you don't have to spend hours planning shots, editing timelines, or adjusting transitions. Everything comes together automatically, allowing you to focus more on ideas and storytelling instead of manual work. Seedance 2.0 comes with a powerful feature called Unified Multi-Input Control. This means you can give the AI many different inputs at the same time. You can upload images, video clips, audio files, and even text, all in one place. Seedance 2.0 automatically understands how each input should be used. For example, one image can be used as a main character reference. Another can guide the background, a video can control motion, and audio can set the mood. You don't need to explain everything manually. The system figures it out for you. Even when you combine many assets together, Seedance 2.0 keeps your characters looking the same from start to end. Faces, body shape, clothing, and style stay consistent across scenes. This is very important for storytelling, ads, and branded videos, where continuity really matters. With this feature, creators can build more complex and professional videos in less time. You don't have to struggle with separate tools or repeated generations. Everything works together smoothly, making video creation faster, easier, and more creative. Seedance 2.0 introduces frame-level precision, which means you get very fine control over your entire video. Every character, object, and visual detail stays perfectly consistent from the first frame to the last frame. Nothing randomly changes or shifts while the video plays. This gives creators full control over how each scene looks and feels. You can control fonts, text placement, transitions between scenes, and the overall rhythm of the video with great accuracy. Each frame follows the plan instead of guessing what comes next. Because everything stays locked in place, the final video looks clean, stable, and professional. This is especially useful for ads, branded content, cinematic stories, and social media videos where small visual details really matter. With frame-level precision, Seedance 2.0 helps creators move away from messy or unpredictable results and create videos that feel carefully designed, polished, and ready to publish. Seedance 2.0 also brings multi-camera storytelling, a game-changing feature for video creators. With this, you can generate entirely new storylines or extend your existing videos while keeping everything connected naturally. Character movements, narration, background sounds, and camera angles all stay perfectly in sync across every shot and cut. This means you can create complex cinematic videos without worrying about mismatched motion or broken audio-visual timing. Every scene flows smoothly, making your videos look professional and polished. Multi-camera storytelling gives you the freedom to tell bigger stories, explore different angles, and keep your audience fully engaged. all while maintaining consistency and quality across every frame. Seedance 2.0 also lets you create high-impact motion scenes, perfect for action and fight sequences. The AI handles realistic body movement, collision effects, and fast camera tracking, so every action feels natural and grounded. Even when multiple characters are interacting at once, the movements stay smooth and believable. This means you can generate intense, cinematic sequences without manually animating every detail. Whether it's a fight scene, chase, or dynamic movement, Seedance 2.0 keeps everything physically realistic and visually exciting, giving your videos that professional, high-quality feel.
To create this video, I used some sources from social media, and you can check them out too. I've included all the links in the description below.
We can already see some really cool videos created with Seedance 2.0 on social media. People are using it to make everything from cinematic stories to action sequences, branded content, and eye-catching short clips. The results are impressive, showing just how powerful this tool is for creators. And the best part is, you can do this too, using the same features we've been talking about today. Once Seedance 2.0 launches, we'll be creating a full video using Higgsfield AI, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Today, this video was all about the upcoming Seedance 2.0 and its exciting new features. If you think I missed something or have ideas to add, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more tutorials, updates, and tips with Higgsfield AI. See you in the next video.